everybody, welcome back to the Nurture Handmade channel. If you don't know, I'm Natalie and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the most beautiful thing I think I've made, and mostly because of the actual fabric. Beautiful Italian boiled wool that I got from Josephine's Dry Goods here in Portland, Oregon. If you haven't gone, it's amazing. It's like being in a movie set. Like I can imagine it in the little town that Practical Magic was filmed. It is everything you could ever want, beautifully presented and curated, and you will definitely find something magical there. If you haven't gone, do yourself a big, huge favor and go. These women curate the most stunning fabrics, from beautiful silks to these kind of wools from Italy. It's definitely a special thing. It's not something that I could do all the time, but I enjoyed the process of shopping there so much with some of my sewsters from my sewing group, and I hope you get to go have that experience yourself. So I picked the Loren jacket by Style Arc because I went through this big bin right here of my coats and jackets, and these, I believe these here are the ones that are unlined, but I thought this one would showcase the fabric the most. I really didn't need the jacket to have a lot of bells and whistles because the fabric has a lot of bells and whistles, so I chose it, like I said, because it was unlined, because look at the inside. It's so gorgeous. Just the fabric on the inside is almost as beautiful as the outside. The outside has this amazing, 3D texture from being felted. When I found this wool, the owner of Josephine's told me, look at the inside of it, and it's just as pretty as the outside, almost, because you have this texture on the outside. But look at how, I don't know if you can see this, but I can do a close-up of it. It is amazing. So probably no one's going to see that but me. So I went ahead and did a two-part on this. One is the presentation of the coat, which I hope to get out tonight on a Friday Sews. And the other one I'll probably drop tomorrow, and that one is a tutorial. I was able to tape the entire process somehow, even during my sewing group, which I was able to kind of be off in my little corner and here and there taped it. It ended up being quite long. And I did speed some areas up in that video. You will see that. You can follow along. If you have any questions, please do reach out though. And also, I just love any comments and questions, under my videos. So I love to get right back to people. I'm going to pop some pictures up of me on the day I got to take the beautiful fabric back to its origin story. Well, not its original origin story, but back to Josephine's Dry Goods. Who doesn't love to wear a me made where people can appreciate it? She also gives you 10% off if you wear your me mades into her store. So remember that. Okay, so one of the coolest things I found out, because I'm new to this fabric, this boiled wool, which is surprisingly lighter weight than I thought. So it makes a sweater really nice. I know they call this a jacket, but I would put it somewhere between a jacket. Sorry about my dog barking. Somewhere between a jacket and a sweater. Beanie, the owner, she told me that, this blew my mind. You can use this kind of fabric. They have several different prints. I'm going to pop one of my next ones I hope to save up for in the picture here. You can use this anywhere you might use a fleece application. So a pullover, a large comfortable hoodie, fleece pants. I mean, the list, my mind just got blown. Instead of wearing an artificial fleecy fabric, I could actually wear a wool. I like the texture of wool. To me, it makes me feel like I'm actually wearing something real. I mean, because I am. That's just percolating around in my mind, making a really nice oversized funnel neck pullover for when it gets really freezing cold. And I think I'm going to use that beautiful felted wool with all the faces that I just saw on my last visit. So to be continued. I hope you enjoyed this display of this wonderful Loren jacket. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Loren Jacket by Style arc. Isn't she stunning? I got to give credit to the actual fabric because it's amazing. Italian boiled wool, Josephine's Dry Goods. Peace out.